lovely night. I'm at work. I just made a purchase for the M45, and I can't be more excited. The purchase I made was for Clazzio seat covers coming straight from Japan. If you have a Japanese car, you can go to bai.com or bai.jp and you can order stuff from Japan. So I'll order some seat covers. I've been talking about these seat covers for a long time. And today, I just ordered them. I just suckered in and ordered them. I was gonna wait, but I'm tired of waiting. I need to fix the interior on the M45. It is in horrible condition. I bought it like that. And then some of it's wear and tear from me. So yeah, now I got seat covers. And I also gotta get another driver's seat because it's leaning.
One eternity later.
My Clazzio seats just came in from Japan. It took about a month, maybe a month some change, but they finally here. I'll open this box and see what we got. As you can see, straight from Japan. Need to try to find something to cut it with. Oh, would you look at that? Some scissors sound right there. YouTube, these are scissors. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I assume this is like the little shoulder rest. Okay. What else you got? I don't know what this is, but okay. I know that's for the back seat. To the good stuff. Headrest. Yeah. I think this is another part of the back seat. It has to be. More headrest. Boy, look at that. Ooh. That diamond stitching though. Yes, sir. The material feels real good. Yes, this material feels great. Those are the two front seats. So I assume this is probably the back seat. Okay, so this is the bottom of the front seat. That portion was the top that I threw. This is the bottom portion. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is the whole back seat. This material feels good. I picked black and white because my floor mats are black with diamond stitching. Yeah, I love it. I can't wait to install these. Video for that coming soon. Yeah, this is all for the rear. I can pull the last one out. Yeah, looks good. Clazzio seat covers. Paid $300 and some change for it.
You got money. He got money. Get it all for him.
A lot of people in the M45 community run those seat covers. They either run those or they run L ties. I just got lucky enough to get my hands on some Clazzio seat covers because I've been trying for a mighty long time. But I feel like black and white would probably be the best for that car because I'm trying to do an all black interior. So far from what I see, this is already a 10 out of 10. Just gotta install it. Install video coming soon. Front. Where? With the cup holders right there. Center console right there. Headrest. Yeah, that completes everything. I can't wait to have new interior in the Infinity. These seat covers serve a purpose because Infiniti makes decent interior, but over time, the interior just doesn't do well over time. So a lot of people either get the seats reupholstered or they buy those seat covers. And a lot of VIP people run those seat covers. So I always said I wanted the VIP build, so now I'm one step closer to a VIP build on the M45. Also, while I'm in the garage, I can show y'all, well, somewhat, my floor mats. Diamond stitching as well, but instead of black with white stitching, it's all black, but I don't think nobody's really gonna pay attention to that.
You sure about that? You sure about that? You sure about that?
And I think it's gonna look good. Look good because it's black. Instead of the unboxing, I gotta organize stuff. And I am gonna be dropping more videos, especially because the Maxima is back. Yep, she's back. I have a video dropping on the Maxima shortly. I gotta get things together for the Maxima, so it's gonna be dropping soon. I know this video wasn't about much, but unboxing. But if you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you just share to somebody. Maybe somebody may wanna buy these seat covers in the future. The link will be in the description. And all you gotta do is type in your chassis code. If your car is Japanese, and 9 times out of 10 it'll pull up. Peace.
I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it! Cause I'm a gremlin! Roar!